Omorai bwe kiombe kia bakore mirimo COTU Francis Atwoli boigo ritkuria rero ni ganyara koba kagukwanira igoro yoborendi ase abange ase atebabuna omoroberio bo NSSF no bwente gokorerwa amaunchurerio ase ng'encho abantu bari tayire batebangeti buya gose batachiti konyora eng'eria ekero batari ase emiremo iyo nigera nyare koba gekobutora gose gegokei amatuka abo yokomenya ase ense yekoreng'anirwa buna nigo obogima borabo bokong'u ase ensemo yabo.
Indeed, these are efforts essentially for preventing poverty and inequality as well as addressing current challenges, in particularly those facing old age, like where I'm going, because I'm one and part of Kenya's senior citizens. Your Excellency, if you don't have hope when you are retiring or when you are leaving your employment, or you are having hope against hope, since you didn't have anything in place to lay your hands on, no social protection, you can hardly take 3 months leaving. The next place of where you will end up is in the grave. I want to thank you, Your Excellency. In your inaugural speech, you included issues related to social protection of Kenyans.